let's cut to the chase. There are two things that you need. One, new mobile number. Two, debit card. If you don't have one of these, why don't you stay and watch? See how easy it is to get unlimited access to Tier 1 in AWS. I'll be sharing about managing accounts and managing passwords. So let's start off by opening a browser. First, we need to create a new profile. We have to name this specifically as October 2020 to 2021. This feature is also available in Chrome. I'm using Brave so that I would avoid some ads. So first thing to do is create a new Gmail account. Okay, so let's first thing to do is open up a notepad. I already have prepared an account here. So this is gonna be my email as October 2020 to 2021. That's going to be the expiration, and the password should be easy. You guys can open this if you like. I won't use my real name. Let's start. Next, let's provide our new mobile number. I should be getting a verification code. 320 986. Alright, so today is 29 October 29, 1990. This is the day when he was born. Skip. I agree. Okay, now that we have our Gmail account set up successfully, and also don't forget to take note. So we have the username, the password, and also the mobile number associated with this. The next thing to do now is download LastPass. We're gonna store all our password inside this app. If you already have an existing account, you can use it. It's much better. Let's list that down. ABC. Okay, it worked. As October 2020 to 2021. Sign up. Success. Alright, let's install this in our profile. Add to Brave. Okay, so let's try storing our password now. This is Gmail. Also the last pass. Let's also add house account in advance. Remove. I don't want this. Okay, so we now have our last pass. Now the next thing to do is create a new Amazon account. Create a new house account. So we won't be needing this notepad anymore. Let's go to our last pass. House for 2020 to 21. So you can either choose anything, professional or personal. It's the same. Now we're going to add our mobile number. Once you're done filling this up, let's create and continue. We are now at the easy part. I know what you're thinking. It's free, but we are still submitting a debit card. We only submit this debit card and Amazon will charge $1 to ensure that the card is still active. After that, Amazon will refund the $1 back to your card. Now there are two situations that's going to happen here. Situation 1. A submitted card will be rejected. You will then be redirected to the console. You are not going to be able to create an EC2 instance. Amazon will keep asking to submit another card. Situation 2. A submitted card will be accepted right away. Amazon will charge $1. After that, you're going to the console. You won't be able to create an EC2 instance right away. You'll have to wait a couple of minutes to have your house account ready. So I'm doing the situation 2. I have already input my correct card, and as you can see, I'm not receiving any errors. It's totally different from getting rejected, there's going to be a huge red error above here that looks like this. Okay, so it's Amazon. This my Amazon. There's another copy. Let me delete this one. Okay, let's copy this mobile number. What is this? This P APX 8CE. Send for verification code. I should be receiving it. $9797. Alright. Let's go and choose free. Okay, sign into console. Let's check our email. Maybe we have some messages. Okay, I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. See, LastPass is quite handy. So looking good. This is our name as October 2020 to 2021. So the first thing that we do is test it out. Let's try and create an EC2 instance. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit in order for this to be ready. Okay, so you need to click this complete your house registration, and once that's clicked, you'll be able to receive this confirmation that it has been updated. So let's try to refresh this one. There you go. So you'll only have to wait. Now let's try creating a new server. Let's see if it works. Free tier only. Let's do the Amazon Linux 2. Next. 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 Okay. Anywhere so that you guys can access this server. October.2020 to 2021 download. Save it to desktop. Launch. Alright, so looking good. Still pending. Alright, so we now have a running server that's going to expire next year, October 2021. One last important thing that we are going to do is go to calendar.google.com. You can also do this in your main account. No, it has to be. This one has to be in your main account. So set this to year. Let's go to 2021. At the day of this recording, it was October 29. So it's going to expire on October 29. Let's set a reminder. So this is the day that it's going to expire, and we're going to create another reminder. It's, let's say, 24, so that we still have 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. We still have 5 days to delete everything. So we're going to put this too early, maybe 10 a.m. So in this day, we're going to remind ourselves about, if in your server, if you're using a repo, a Git repo, I think there's no need to back up your files, but let's still put this backup source codes in EC2 instance, and then backup database and RDS. And after backing up, you're going to delete RDS and EC2 instance, or whatever you have created in this account. You have to terminate this to avoid from getting charged. And after that, you are going to close the Amazon account. So I'll be showing you how to close the account. From here, you're going to my account, scroll to the bottom, and then check this and this and this and this. You can also read this if you want, so click close. And that's it. So about the debit card or credit card, you won't be able to remove it. Amazon won't let you. So the only way to avoid getting charged is by making sure that the EC2 instance has been deleted, and As long as there are no running server, it won't be able to charge you. So it's safe, and I've done this many years already. It's also good for portfolio and for other testing like AI, blockchain. So I think let's save this. So I think that's everything. Don't forget to put these reminders on your phone or in your main Gmail account. So let's not forget what the video is all about. This is not how to create an EC2 instance. It's to get unlimited access to tier 1. The whole steps that we did in this video, you're going to repeat this next year, and on the next year, and on the next year. In that way, in that method, in that technique, you're going to get unlimited access. So you're going to keep repeating it until you become professional and expert. Because remember, repetition is the mother of skills, as Tony Robbins once said. Last year I had July 2019 to 2020 account, and now I'm renewing it. I'm gonna use this account as my sandbox, testing, portfolio, anything I want. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you.